look at it.
And now we have our blanket like this.
Looks like a raw pancake, to be honest.
Yeah.
Here we can see blanket in a normal pack and takes a whole lot of space. But put it in a vacuum bag.
Vacuum storage bag.
Yeah. It says that we'll have 75% less space. And that is a lot of percent, you know?
Yeah. We bought this vacuum storage bag with discount in Lidl.
To make it vacuumed, we use a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah, a vac.
Yeah.
Cool, let's try it. Let's unbox it.
Yep.
You don't need to use a knife here.
Be careful when you open it.
Here. What is it?
Apparently we don't need that.
Have a valve.
Yeah, a valve.
Open it. Air from inside and it can be inside. Yeah?
Yeah. Wow, it's huge actually.
It's enormous. Wow.
And it's only one bag.
Wow.
I thought it would be smaller.
Let's try to put our blanket here.
Sure. I mean,
How many space it is now and how it will be in this bag.
like that.
No, you closed it. Is it open now?
Wow.
Here we have steps to follow.
Yeah, 4 easy steps.
Yeah. First one, we need to put some fabric inside textile. Then we need to close it like this.
Yeah.
We push here and move here. Then we need to use vacuum cleaner and close the valve.
I thought the vacuum cleaner needs to be in reverse.
No, it's
No?
must work as. Okay, let's put
Yeah, let's
our
try. Yeah.
blanket
Just put it in.
in, and we will see how much
Okay,
space.
now I know it's large.
Yeah, it's
Okay, so close it now.
no. You close it. Why you put it here? Maybe like this. Is it closed? Yeah, maybe it's closed. Yeah, we did first 3 steps and need to vacuum it.
Yeah. I'm gonna do that part.
Okay. Turn it on. Our vacuum. We did it like this. Yeah, we are in. Start it.
No. It's pumping even more. It's gotten more air.
Turn it on.
Yes,
It's working.
it does.
Ta-dam!
And look at it.
And now we have our blanket like this.
Looks like a raw pancake, to be honest.
Yeah.
I mean, doesn't it?
We need less space to storage
Yeah.
it. Cool. I like this bag. This bag cost around €3 in Lidl.
And this is the largest size.
Yeah, it's 2XL size.
I mean, it is actually large.
Awesome.